Hello from Lisbon. You're about to watch a flight from London Luton Airport to Lisbon Airport with EasyJet on an Airbus A319. There'll be a full review at the end of the video. We also have a behind the scenes, and you'll see further into the video why. So you're about to see the start of the journey starting outside Luton Airport. See you there. Hello, so we've just arrived at the airport. We're going to go through the security and then we'll meet you on the plane. We've already checked in, so it's just straight through. We don't have any bags to drop off, they're all going overhead in the lockers. So I'll see you through the other side. Walking into the airport. Five security. So security looks to be just there. We just got through security and we're just in the duty free now. What shops do they have here?
There's Charlotte Tilbury, there's Chanel, there's Burberry, Clarins, MAC, Estee Lauder, pretty much everything.
Got out the bank account. Now boarding our flight to Lisbon using the speedy board. So we'll check in and I'll update you on the plane. Just waiting to board the plane. As you see, we're there and here are the EasyJet plane. What we're getting on. Assuming we're getting on this one. Just boarding the plane now. Boarding the plane, got bags under there, got bags in the overhead locker as well. We're in seat 9 on an Airbus A320 for reference, and this is the view out the window. We've got the engine, view of the wing, so it's perfect clean seats, nice tray table, bit dirty though, and I'll see you on takeoff. Quick update, it's not an Airbus A320, it's an Airbus A319. Our flight's been delayed on the ground for 20 minutes, however the captain has just announced that we can make up the time in the air, so I'll see you take off. And just a quick update, we've just been put in this holding stand near the runway. There's another 20-minute delay. However, I'm really happy because the captain has allowed us to go into the flight deck and see behind the scenes while next to the runway. So I'm really happy, and I'm going to show you that in a second. So I'll see you in the cockpit. It was relatively cheap for airline. We're just starting out the same to Portugal, Lisbon now. See when we're landing. going to do the conclusion now because I don't actually want you to watch the landing. You can do two things at once. So, how much did it cost, the thing you've been waiting for? Well, just for going on the flight, it was £30 each way per person. Baggage was £35 for a 20 kilogram bag. You also had to pay for seats. This was quite cheap. We paid for what I think is the best seat on the plane for an extra £9 each. So I was really happy with that. Really happy with the flight. Obviously I love the behind the scenes, but taking that out of the factor, it got us there on time like it said it would, even though we had the initial delay. It also was very clean. That marker, what was on the tray table, was a mark, it wasn't actually there. I thought it was clean. It was very clean, reliable, safe. What else can you ask for, really? And it was cheap. Well worth it. I couldn't recommend it more. Enjoy the landing. Also, I don't really understand why people don't like Luton Airport. It was really easy to get to. We live up north and it was really easy to get to. It's got lots of shops and it got us there on time, so I can't see the reason why people don't like it. So I'll leave it there and I'll let you enjoy the landing and say goodbye.